Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Parathas is something that we all enjoy and there are different varieties of parathas. Today I am going to share a very simple and delicious Masala Paratha recipe which is so quick to make, and they also make for a perfect lunchbox recipe. You can pack them if you're traveling, and they're very tasty. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For the masala chapati, first we're going to mix the dough. To a bowl, take 2 cups of wheat flour, that is atta. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt. Just gently mix it. Next add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything. Now gradually pour water little at a time to mix the dough. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes till it's all well combined and you get a nice soft palleable dough. Close the bowl and let this sit for about 30 minutes. Next I'm going to make the masala filling for the parathas. For this, to a bowl add about 1/4 cup of thick ghee. Next add a few chopped coriander leaves, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ajwain, and about 1 tablespoon Kasurimethi. Mix everything nicely till it's all well combined. We're going to start making the parathas. After 30 minutes, divide the dough into equal sized dough balls. Dust the rolling surface with a little flour. Place the dough ball and start rolling it out nice and thin. Once you've rolled it out, place a little bit of the filling and spread it out evenly on all sides of the rolled out dough. Once you have spread it evenly, start rolling it in. Roll it around and gently press it. Make all the dough balls in the same manner and keep them aside. Now place the prepared masala stuffed dough ball onto the rolling surface. Just dust it with a little flour and gently roll it out. Just take care not to put too much of pressure. Just roll it out very gently. Make sure you roll out all the masala dough balls in the same manner and keep it aside. Next, heat the tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, gently place the rolled out dough. Cook on both sides till you get a nice golden brown color. Maintain the flame on a medium high. So once you've got those nice dark brown spots, just apply a little ghee on all sides. Make sure to flip it on both sides at intervals. So the masala paratha is done. You can see it's cooked beautifully. Make sure to serve these delicious, soft and flavorful masala parathas nice and hot right out of the tawa. Now I'm serving them with some nice lassi, raita and some vegetable side dish by the side. You can enjoy it however you like. So as you can see, they're very easy to make and they're very tasty. They're so soft and you can enjoy it as is with some nice pickle, that is achar, or some nice onions and raita by the side, or with any gravy of your choice. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.